How do you start making money on YouTube even if you don't have subscribers yet? Hi there, fantastic YouTube fam. Welcome back to the channel. So now that you've got your channel set up and you're ready to make some content and you're ready to upload your content, but you have this question on your mind: how do you start making money on YouTube even if you don't have subscribers yet? I get it. It's a very big question, especially when you're just starting out your YouTube journey. But I am here to tell you that it is totally possible for you to monetize your YouTube channel without having lots of subscribers. As a digital marketer and also a digital creator, I've learned a few strategies even for myself. These strategies will help you to get there faster. So let's dive right in. Step number one is for you to use affiliate marketing. Even with 0 subscribers, you can start promoting products or services that you love and you use. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that you do not need a great audience for you to get started with it. All you need to do is just sign up for an affiliate program. There are lots of them out there, like Amazon, Share Sale, ClickBank, Digi24, Hunga, Jumia, and the likes. You will get a special affiliate link that you can include in your video description. And when someone makes a purchase using your link, you get a commission. Let me give you a pro tip. You don't have to wait till when you have thousands and thousands of subscribers before you start promoting a product. Just make sure that you are recommending something that is related to your niche and related to your audience. Step 2. You can offer your own products or services. Now, you might be thinking that you don't have a product yet. You might be thinking, oh, I don't have a product yet. But here's the thing. You do not need to be a huge company before you start selling on YouTube. If you are a creator like me, you could sell different things on YouTube, such as ebooks, online courses, or even consultation services. If you've got a skill or expertise, why not monetize it on the get-go? Step number 3 is crowdfunding and donations. Platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi allows your viewers to support you directly. If they love your content, they might be willing to even donate money to you to help you create more content. This is a great option if you are very passionate about a particular niche or topic. And the best part is this: you do not need a big audience to get started. All you need is a dedicated group of people that believe in what you are doing. Step 4. YouTube super thanks and channel memberships. Now, YouTube has made it a whole lot easier for creators to make money through the platform itself. You can enable the super thanks feature where your viewers can donate directly during your videos. And once you have 1,000 subscribers, you can unlock channel membership. This allows your audience to pay a monthly fee to become a member and get special perks like badges, emojis, or even exclusive content. It's a win-win for both you yourself and then your community. Can you see that it is totally possible for you to start monetizing your channel even though you just started the channel and you are yet to get lots of subscribers? It's all about using the right strategies and using the opportunities available from day one. And before I go, if you want insider tips and tricks that can help you to grow your channel, or you want personal guidance, I invite you to join my private group. This is where I share extra insights on how you can actually monetize your channel faster and also grow the channel. You will get access to exclusive content that I do not share anywhere else, and we can all learn together. You can use the link in the description to join this private group. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And you can also share this with someone who is trying to start out or make money from YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Keep creating and keep growing. Peace out.